Think muscle loss is just a part of aging? Think again. What if we told you that just by changing your plate, you can regain strength, improve balance, and stay active well into your 70s and 80s? Why seniors need muscle-building foods? After 50, we naturally lose muscle mass, up to 1% every year. This can lead to falls, weakness, and fatigue. But the right foods can reverse that. Here's how nutrition can be your secret weapon. Top 5 muscle-building foods for seniors. 1. Eggs, the perfect protein. Eggs are easy to digest, rich in leucine, and perfect for breakfast. One egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Greek yogurt, protein with probiotics. Greek yogurt has double the protein of regular yogurt, plus probiotics that aid digestion. Salmon, omega-3s and protein. Salmon is a powerhouse. It helps reduce inflammation and supports muscle recovery. Spinach, iron and nitrates. Dark leafy greens like spinach support oxygen flow to muscles and improve strength. Lentils, plant-based power. Lentils are rich in protein and fiber, perfect for seniors avoiding meat. Simple tips to add these to your diet. You don't need to overhaul your whole diet. Just start your day with eggs, add yogurt to snacks, eat fish twice a week, and sneak in spinach or lentils in your dinner. Real results. Senior transformation. Meet Ahmed, age 72. In just 8 weeks of eating better and light exercise, he improved his posture, gained muscle tone, and said goodbye to joint pain. Muscle loss is not your fate. You have the power to stay strong, starting with your next meal. Like, share, and subscribe Life Echo AI for more senior health tips. And tell us in the comments what food keeps you strong.